Hey, Sparky. I know you've been wanting me to take a tour, so I figured we'd go in and take a tour. Here's the other caboose, but you can see it don't have a floor in it.
Yeah, that's good.
So I got the other freaks with me. So, but we can go in this here bay caboose. Hopefully we don't find any wasps.
Well, they're not.
But there's really not much in here. I really don't know what that big pipe is for. That would have been the bathroom. It's your kerosene burner.
Ooh, a water fountain.
Closet. That's a sink, not a water fountain. This would have been a bed. There's the
some sort of
breaker panel.
Wow. Hey.
I don't know what this is. Maybe this is a kerosene tank, I would assume. Which, here we're on the other side, and I think that's where they fill it up. Yeah, use fuel oil. So that's your tank. So this one, of course, would not have a cupola. It's your newer style for bay window. And it looks like the copper thieves have been in here for sure, trying to rip out as much copper as they could. But you would have a chair right here, and there would have been a chair over here, one facing one direction, one facing the other. And you literally could see down the length of your whole train. So but yeah, this is it. And I bet that would have been another bed or bunk. Typically, your conductor would have probably had a desk right here, I would assume. But yeah, I still don't know what that is. I have no clue. Maybe a water tank? Because I do see a water valve right there. So maybe that's a water tank. So, there you have it. Other than that, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, Sparky.